Hi, I'm Chris the Fireplace Whisperer, and today I'm going to talk to you about a torpedo level. So the torpedo level is extremely useful. Now you have a couple different bubbles in here to level horizontal surfaces, vertical surfaces, and even 45-degree surfaces, which I don't use that one that often with what I do, but that can be extremely helpful if you need it. So what happens is you have two little lines. In this case, it's two black lines that you see right there. And when that bubble gets right in between those two lines, you know your level. Now, this level has a magnetic strip in it, so you can stick it on metal. And I just happen to have a second torpedo level over here that was on this metal venting, and that's where we use it mostly, is making sure our venting is level when we install wood and gas pellet fireplaces and stoves. You can also level the unit itself. You can level the hearth pads that it's sitting on. Now, when it comes to durability, as you can see, I have a plastic tip one and a metal tip. You see this metal frame that goes all the way around the level. This one is way more durable. If it falls and lands on the ground, this thing is just going to withstand the end of days. Or this one, and I've replaced this one before, I don't know why I even have it, but I've had it where this plastic just breaks off, and now it's jagged and sharp, and I ended up just tossing it. So there are different grades of quality out there. So depending on what you're using it for, the surface that you're working on, you might want this one, just because you know it'll last longer. It costs a little bit more, but in the end, I think it's worth it. So torpedo level, very useful, and making sure everything is level. I'm Chris the Fireplace Whisperer. Hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.